3,
4,
5,
6, 7,
9,
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
7,
9, 9.
Good girl, Eleanor.
Yeah.
7.
You're so good at counting. 1, 1. You want 1? How many do you want?
2?
No, you have 2.
You want the whole bag? Closed. What's wrong? What? What do you want, Eleanor? Speak. You want it open? Open? Say, please, Abba, open. What do you say? You say thank you? It says 0 minutes on the table. It says 0 minutes on the table.
Oh, thank you.